good morning, Papa Chris. Kumusta, Papa Chris? May bago kang upload, Papa Chris. Puntahan kita sa channel mo. Magpapanggap pa pa ako na ako ay nasa'yo. Alam mo, Papa Chris, maganda ngayon gawa ng videos. Ayan, full support tayo. Nakapudpanda ka na. Wonder Love, will you lead me? Will you lead him to the top of the mountain if he can make it? Will you lead him to top of the mountain if he can make it? Oh my God, the one that is so scary one. Going to the Nanay's place. Nanay's, watching your video, Papa Chris. Saan po yan? Dito yan sa park. I bet I can get to the top. Yeah, you can go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, guys. You can put money on that. You there, you can put more jogging, morning jogging, yeah. That's Nanay's place. Yeah, Nanay's place. Nanay's place. Ano to? Love birds to keep taking bath. Ah, okay. Send super sticker, guys. I know you want some. Hey, thank you, Papa Chris. Watching your video, love birds taking a bath. Ang dami pala. Solo jogging ka? Yes. Solo lang ako, guys, kasi my friend, Ate Cherry, is not available today. She told me that she was sleeping when I messaged her. And yeah, she will go for the gym later. Afternoon. But I don't want to keep sleeping. I want to make my day productive. I get up early, come here, and now do live. I jog already for 1 hour. I know you guys, you are feeling bored already if I am inside the house. That's why I bring you here. Later we can have a beautiful view in the afternoon live, or I will check. Okay, exactly, there is more life, there's more to life than sleeping. Yeah, I don't want, because for the past few weeks I did like sleeping, eat, wake up like that, and go to my friend. Now I feel like, no, I want to change my habit, my daily routine. I just want to make life, or to make a positive day when I woke up. Like to get up myself, go for jog, go for work. Like here, I'm going swimming after I exercise, so it would be a lot better, right? So yeah, mas okay yan, ma'am. Oo, kasi if I can go for sleeping. Ayun, isang video pa sa'yo, Papa Chris. Ito na lang 5 minutes, On time! Ngayong Merry Shopping Christmas.